Okay, I've added the coil bearings within the armor, and I used a double layer aluminum. I applied it to the inside of the cockpit, and I'm going to overlay the inside of the cockpit with iron. And I put the phase wires, and see how I wrap the coils and the aluminum coils, the coils and the iron coils around along the side. This is like the Ironman chest plate. I still have it curing. It's not cured yet. I used the rubber filament, Gorilla Glue, maximum strength clear, and just to hold it there. And the armor part is looking like this at the frontal, and I'll add the other parts and segments of the front moving parts of the frontal, whereas the permanent magnet is going to be localized there on the other side, and they're going to move the different parts of the frontal. However, the iron is going to be sitting here. The linear motor, as far as the linear motor coils are coming, I have about over 6,000 turns of coil. So I'm going to roll some turns going in the linear motor upward on the frontal part, and I'm going to place iron there on the frontal part. It's going to be titanium. The aluminum is going to sit central within the two magnetic fields. These coils, the magnets, pulse of coil to move horizontally in space, and the other coils are to move vertically, which will be in the frontal. So, therefore, it enabled when I charge one and separate from the other because it cannot receive a charge horizontal and vertical coil, cannot induce currents to another direction, to another coil. So I could phase these coils directly to the iron wire, and that should synchronize the coils within central. However, the permanent magnet, the magneto coil, as far as the coating coils, are localized on this the frontal. And on the back, I'm going to use the iron, and then I'm going to also make a linear. So I can have two linearies to hold the aluminum within central. And as of the iron that goes on top, it should be titanium. And I'm going to also, I forgot to tell you, I'm also going to add the copper sheet, because the copper sheet will react while the binding energy phases the aluminum. It will also react to move away from the magnet field, the copper sheet. So those are the things I'm going to be adding. I'm going to be more in, and this coil is just in horizontally. I try to make it as neat as possible, and to fix in all different directions area fraction. So I have another coil that go here, and another coil here. So, and some more coils to be added to the front of this Ironman Mark 42. Just wait. My name is Ray Morton. Goodbye. Okay, so this is the frontal part, but this is just the surfaces. I have to add the other parts of the surfaces with the separate parts on top. But first I have to draw the linear coil here, which is the coated magnet coil, AWG24. So my plans are to do at least more than 3,000 turns. So my hope is try to get 4,000 or 6,000 turns in here. A coil in a linear motion all the way up.